here. You're gonna stay right here. You're gonna stay right here.
Get the fuck out of here. Leave me alone.
On April 14th, 2025, an officer responded to reports of a man causing a disturbance at a local store. At first, it seemed like the kind of call that gets handled before the coffee gets cold. But within minutes, it became clear this man had something far more unpredictable in mind.
7-Eleven almost killed me. You shouldn't work for them.
Enough.
Yeah, enough.
Out.
Yeah, I'm leaving. Give me my f***ing money. What's your name, officer?
Ruby.
H. Ruby.
302.
Thank you. 302. We'll see you soon.
What's that supposed to mean?
In court.
Okay.
We'll see you in court. I'll see all you guys in court.
Frank Charles. Three copy stock on the vehicle, 75th, ASKS 75th. I don't think he's going to come out. I dealt with him up to the gas station. I don't think he's going to come out. Kevin walks him. I'll grab my lap after this. Whoa.
I gotta take a picture of the 40 trail.
Sandwich the city park. Let him know he's under arrest.
Hey, you're under arrest, dude. All right.
Jail.
I got the window front.
You're a scumbag motherfucking piece of shit. My name's Ted. You gotta go.
All right, I'll give you one last chance to open the door, or else I'm going to break your window. You going to open the door? Yep. You're going to break.
You're under arrest.
You're under arrest.
For what?
Disobeying a police officer.
What? Disobeying a police officer. Give me that body cam. Give me that badge. You don't deserve a fucking badge, you piece of shit. You're under arrest. Get the fuck out of here. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Give me that Who wants to get hurt? Who wants this place? Go get the fuck away from me. unlocked. It's unlocked. You're okay. I'm fine.
All right, this was fun. So I don't know why we did this. You're under arrest, okay? So I'm gonna take this seatbelt off you, and you're gonna move out.
Don't choke me.
Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, we're done.
Yes.
Good. You're gonna get out peacefully?
Yes.
Okay.
I promise.
All right. Let's try to cuff him in back.
I promise. Don't be rough. I'm gonna be calm.
He's got the other. He's got one. It's on.
Thank you for not hurting me. Seriously. I mean it sincerely. I mean it sincerely. Thank you for not hurting me. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Don't. I'm coming out. Don't yank me. Get down on the ground. Don't do that. You're making.
Stay right there. Do you have any weapons on you?
I'm telling you to not hurt me.
I'm trying to hurt you, but not really helping.
What are my charges?
Resisting arrest.
For what? What's my charge?
Battery to a
You
police
dumb.
officer.
What's my charge? Constitution. Who? You follow the Constitution? You took an oath, you piece of shit. You're a piece of shit.
There you go.
I'm from a police family, you motherfucker. You're a piece of shit. People here know what's right and what's wrong. Let me sit. Please, I can sit up.
Your butt?
Yeah, I can do this. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
And up.
This way, thank you. Ready?
Are you good?
Nice. Dude, I mean it. Look at the video online, brother. Under
For what?
on
Yeah.
YouTube. Corpus Christi, it's a G video.
Okay.
It's video footage of me getting punched by Corpus Christi in the face.
What officers didn't know at the time, the man standing before them already had a troubling history, one that would make his behavior during this encounter even more concerning.
I'm asking him questions. I'm being detained or retained.
As of right now, we're being detained to figure out what's going on. If you're
I'm
doing
going
all
to tell
right.
you right now, and you're going to listen to me, and you can ask me
No,
if
you're
you have any
going to
questions.
listen to me. I'm here to figure out what the f is going
I'm
on.
explaining.
Because I got a call.
So ask
back
me.
up.
Don't
Back up from me.
okay, ask
You're going to back up from me. You're not going to get in my f***ing face.
Ask me a question.
What is going on here? Why did I get a call for you?
I love Jody. I don't know her last name.
Jody. Who's Jody?
I don't know her. To me, it's what's her face. She's a dog. She's a daughter, I believe. I've got a DOD card in my f***ing hand. Please.
All right, Mr.
I'm not here for trouble.
No, I'm not saying you are. What's your date of birth?
No.
Hold on. I got to give this to my buddy.
Give me my card, please.
I have to give it to my buddy.
You give me my card now.
Give
me my
am
card.
trying to identify
Look at my
you.
seat now.
All right,
Look at my seat.
I'm not looking at shit. You f***ing listen to me and stop f***ing talking over me.
I want to know who this is.
I have no idea who that is.
That's my daddy.
I know
So
that's
you
your
get
dad.
your father.
What is your
Where were
date
you
of birth? I get a call on you. I have to identify you.
Take me in.
You're
I'm
gonna
on
get.
cameras.
You're gonna get charged for failing to identify.
You're going to be losing your job. You're hurting the economy.
No, I am not.
You're making a bad move, brother.
No,
This
I
is
am not
big.
making a bad move. Back. Stop walking up on me. Back up. Back up.
You got my ID.
No, I don't have your ID.
He's got my ID.
Oh,
It's
you
my
take your
daddy.
ID?
Show me a picture of your father. Now.
Don't f***ing yell at me.
I'm getting cigarettes now.
No, you're gonna stay right f***ing here.
Shut my
You're
door.
gonna stay right
You're
here.
a public servant.
You're gonna stay
You're
right
a public servant.
Public.
You lose. You lose. You lose. Don't hit me. Don't hit me, please. This stops now.
You're gonna roll over in your back right now.
You're not do. You're gonna grab your ball. You're gonna grab your ball. Hold on. If you don't leave me alone, you're in trouble now. Yeah. You. Who's your daddy? Show me your picture of your father. No. You guys are weak, brother. I'm gonna take calls. Oh no! I can't breathe. You want to hear this?
Well, if you'd be quiet, maybe you'd hear.
I'm deaf. I can't hear you.
So then it's
I
even
can hear you.
better reason to be quiet and listen, so you can actually hear
Okay,
what I'm
look,
saying.
Tell me what I'm getting charged with and why.
So you drove on the roadway with no taillights.
Oh, okay.
So-
Well, my car's because 7-Eleven almost killed me and I don't have money.
So I tried to stop you
Good.
to make a
my
traffic
taillights.
stop.
Good. You're gonna all the
You-
economy, you stupid.
You refused to stop.
You're dumb. You're up everything for everyone. All these people can make all this money and you gotta be a dummy. I want to say everywhere where there's cameras, please, make sure all your cameras are turned on. I'm getting the footage today. Are you familiar with defense contract fraud?
I don't really care.
Are you really? You don't care about defense contract fraud?
No, it doesn't.
Why?
Because it means nothing to me.
The defense of the country means nothing to you, and you're a police officer. What's
Yeah.
your name?
Officer Ruby.
What is it?
Officer Ruby, I've told you.
And you don't care
4 times.
about defense or protecting people.
No, I care about the people of Darien. That's about it.
Only Darien. You don't care about the defense of the United States. Darien
No,
is not part of the United States.
Other people will take care
Darien
of
is
that.
no longer part of the United States. Darien's no longer part of the United States. So why don't you care about defense contract fraud?
Come over here, take a seat, middle bench.
Yeah, I'll take a seat in the middle bench. Garbage. Garbage. How long have you been here? Am I being released?
No,
Why?
because you need to go see a judge
For what?
for your charges.
What are my charges?
Aggravated battery to a police officer.
Who did I batter? When?
Officer Ruby.
When?
When you were in your car.
Look at your video fast. Leave me alone! Give me that. You looked at my video, you better look at, he broke my window after I paid for something I couldn't pay for last night at a gas station.
Right.
Right.
I
paid. You know they're going through f***ing transit, they're selling 7-Eleven. It's an $80 billion company.
Do you want me to release the car to Joseph?
Huh?
Do you want me to release the
I
car
don't
to
know what you're
Joseph?
talking, I can't hear you.
Okay. He is willing to pay the tow fee.
So what are the two choices? Tell me the bottom line either way.
Yes or no? Do you want
No,
me
you
to?
tell me what happens if I don't do it or I do.
Oh, if you do it, he pays the $500 for the fee to the city of Darien, the $150 to the tow yard, and goes and gets your car and potentially repairs the tires in the window that's damaged.
And how do I do that? How do I pay for that? Why was it damaged?
Because you failed to get out of the car.
Why did I fail to get out of the car?
That's a you question, not a me question.
Why am I being held here?
Because you're under arrest.
For what? What is my charge?
Aggravated battery to a police officer.
What was the initial charge? He gave it. You need a f***ing initial charge, dummy. Tell me the initial charge before the gas station.
Failure to yield an emergency vehicle.
Which emergency vehicle?
Ours.
So you can go to f***ing pull up any car, turn on your lights, and you can go and do this? Are you f***ing kidding me?
All right.
Go away. I'm not talking to anybody.
All right. So can I release the car to him or no?
Why?
I'm asking. He's
Where does it
asking.
go if it's not released?
It just stays there and they charge you daily fees
Where?
at the tow yard.
No, they're charging Darien a daily fee.
No.
And it's going to be a museum, please. Actually, yeah, let them get out so I can make some art with it. I got a place for it.
So
on Route 83.
You're good for him to.
I'm not a lawyer.
So here's the deal.
Here's the deal. So tell me, here's the deal. Tell me what the deal is.
We're going to DuPage County Jail. You're being transported in that squad car.
No, I'm not. I'm not going anywhere.
It's out that door.
Nope. You're violating my constitutional rights. Tell me about the U.S. Constitution now. Tell me what you know as a public servant.
Right now.
Tell me, as a
You are
public
under arrest.
servant, I've got disabilities, and I'm broken from the police.
You are
And
under
I
arrest.
need you.
Failure
Darien,
to
Illinois.
comply
Darien,
with
Illinois.
any of our
I need you
requests
to tell me.
Could result in your injury.
What?
Could result in injury to
What can
you
result?
if you do not comply with our requests.
Why am I going to jail? Well, if there's an injury, you're f***ed more. Because I'm not going. And I'm not f***ing complying. Ever. Ever. I'm not moving. You're going to be bleeding if you touch me. And that is a threat. Smile. You don't f***ing touch me. The public's going to like this video unless it disappears. But that's all right. There's already enough shit out there. You keep
So
making
that-
it worse.
That's what's going to happen.
You keep making it worse and worse, and whoever's doing it's getting warned. That's what's going to happen. I'm going to defend myself in this f***ing country.
Okay.
Even if you're a piece of shit, and you're a piece of shit.
That will result in additional criminal charges.
That's
you are
good.
being
You
warned.
get additional criminal charges.
Okay.
Maybe I'll get the death penalty, eh? Okay. Tell me my f***ing charge now, you f***ing communist.
Okay.
Communist, 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 communist. And he backed up. He's smart.
Are you failing to comply with us right now?
I don't know. Am I?
Are you not going to get up?
Am I? I've got criminal defense attorneys. Tell me the first charge now. Tell me the first charge. Tell me. Get the f*** away.
All right, so get. Hold on.
He's grabbing.
Yeah, grab it. Loser, communist motherfucker.
Just go straight down to the ground with his upper body.
I'm gonna pull it off someone's face if I can.
Just Upper body, you got that one. Yep. And we're going to pull it slightly back. Straight back.
You're gonna break my leg.
Then stop resisting.
You're gonna break my leg.
Stop resisting.
You're gonna break my leg.
Stop resisting. There you go.
That's simple.
All right.
You don't listen.
No charges, huh? No charges.
At first,
No charges.
at first.
There.
But you're going to have to pull them up toward me.
Too bad you didn't do it like last time. You f***ed me up bad, dude.
Tim.
Yeah, dude.
You were good.
Dude, you're f***ing, you're